Hola DeJean family, it is Mr. Q here again with another core value lesson. Today we're going to talk about curiosity. Well, what is curiosity? Curiosity is wanting to learn or to know more about something. It is being eager to explore new things. It's finding new things fascinating. It's asking lots and lots of questions. And why is curiosity important? Because knowledge is power. Asking questions can help you learn things on a deeper level. It can also help you figure out and explore things that you might actually pursue in your future, like science, like medicine, like architecture, like poetry writing, whatever you find interesting. Asking questions like why also leads to new things being created and new things being invented. An example being Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook, sitting in his dorm room, wondering, how can I connect people around me together? Let me invent Facebook. And bam, I'm a billionaire now. All because he was what? Curious. Curiosity is probably the most fun of all our core values, and we do it a lot in science. Here are some examples of curiosity being fun. How is this piece of metal floating? What is happening to this gummy bear? How do you instantly freeze water? How can you pull a plane with your hair? What's happening to this spoon? Is there life on other planets or stars? There's Earth right there. Look at the size of Earth. Jupiter is our biggest planet. This is the sun. This is our star. How big is our universe? Is this real? What is happening with my eyes? Is this moving or is it not? What happened to this spider? Is it even a spider? Being curious and asking questions has also led to some really amazing things in our history. Think about how many people saw apples fall from trees. And it only took one person to ask why. Why did that apple fall? Because gravity. And bam, Isaac Newton just discovered forces. And because it's Martin Luther King Jr. Day, I want to bring up this example. Think about in our history, in the 60s, all the people who started questioning how life was. Why am I being treated this way? What makes it right for you to treat me this way? Why do I have to sit on the back of the bus? Why do I have to drink from this water fountain? Why am I not allowed the same rights you are? People started to question, which fueled emotions and feelings, which led to action and led to change. It all starts with being curious. It all starts with the question. Curiosity is needed in architecture, with building buildings, in technology, in science, in research, finding new cures, in medicine, in politics, and in education. Even teachers, even adults still remain curious today. There are still so many questions and things that I am curious about. Like, what is social media doing to our youth? Why are all the villains on Disney movies dark-skinned? Is this perpetuating racism in kids? What was Miley Cyrus thinking? What are the effects of her twerking on society? Why are kids drawn into gangs? What is the appeal of gang culture? Is using the N-word bad? Does it perpetuate racism? How can I get my kids to learn better? How can I get them to realize just how important education is to their futures? So we're reaching the end of our video, and there's just a couple things that I want you to remember. Being curious is fun, and it's important to your success. Being curious and asking questions leads to you learning more about the world around you and learning more about yourself. It can also, if you're lucky, lead to huge inventions, which make you become as big as Mark Zuckerberg. So always be curious. Always ask tons and tons of questions.